This launch facility was forgotten.
Years of decay everywhere.
Mission control is dead.
Nothing here still works.
Fuel systems completely failed. The foundation is unstable.
Tracking systems offline.
Infrastructure failure runs deep.
All right, team. Phase 1 requires stabilization of the main gantry.
The rebuild starts now.
Materials arrive!
Heavy reconstruction begins.
Fuel infrastructure returns. Clear the past away.
Progress begins slowly.
Unsafe structures come down. The launch pad is rebuilt.
Structure returns.
Transport systems reconnect.
Power flows again.
Backup systems online. Fuel lines take shape.
Thermal systems activate. Communication restored. Every system moves forward.
Mission control awakens. Artificial intelligence integrated.
Automation begins. Heavy transport returns. The facility sees again.
The rocket arrives.
A new mission takes form.
Precision is everything.
Skyview game.
Every connection matters.
Alignment confirmed.
Months of work coming together.
Transport to launch begins.
The launch platform is ready.
Fuel systems connected.
Engine testing begins.
Thermal systems stable.
The port is alive again.
Ignition sequence starts.
Engines at full power. From ruins to the future of launch.